So students, in this section we'll study about the center of gravity. So I will directly jump into the definition first and then I'll clarify it to you. See, center of gravity of a body is the point about which the algebraic sum of moments of weights of all the particles constituting the body is zero. The entire weight of the body can be considered to act at this point, howsoever the body is placed. Now, suppose this pen, okay. This pen is having various sections or various particles. Here we can consider this section, this we can consider parallelly various sections are present in this pen. Now all the sections of this pen or all the parts of this pen are exerting a force, and these are exerting the force downwards. All the sections are exerting the force downwards. Now imagine the situation that this pen is balanced. Okay, imagine the situation that this pen is balanced. Why this pen is balanced even though various forces are acting on it? Because the force which is acting on this side, okay, is balanced by the forces which is acting on this side. So the forces acting on left side are balanced by the forces which are acting on right side. Why they are being balanced and how they are counterbalanced? So for that, assume that all the forces acting on this pen are actually centered at the center. Now this force, or if to explain in Hindi I'll go like, यहाँ पर जो फोर्स लग रहा है और यहाँ पर जो फोर्स लग रहा है, हम लोग वो अज्यूम कर लेते हैं कि ये सारे फोर्सेस जो लग रहे हैं एक सेंटर पे लग रहे हैं, और वो सेंटर पे जो फोर्स वो लग रहा है वो नीचे की तरफ जा रहा है. उसी फोर्स को फिंगर्स के थ्रू हम लोग काउंटर बैलेंस कर रहे हैं. तो एक एक्शन लगा ऊपर से नीचे और एक रिएक्शन लगा नीचे से ऊपर. सो दैट थिंग इज बीइंग बैलेंस्ड. सो दिस पॉइंट where all the forces which are acting, the moment of all those forces when that comes to zero, that point will be known as center of gravity. So gravity is a separate thing and center of gravity is a separate thing. So center of gravity is basically a point where all the forces or the algebraic sum of moment of all the forces or weights constituting the body is zero. So here we are assuming that the full weight of the body is acting at this center point. बॉडी का जो पूरा वेट है, अगर बॉडी बैलेंस्ड है तो हम अज्यूम कर सकते हैं कि पूरा वेट कहाँ एक्ट कर रहा है, एक सेंटर पे एक्ट कर रहा है. सो दिस इज सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी. So the center of gravity or the position, here you can read, the position of center of gravity of a body of given mass depends on its shape and on the distribution of mass in it. So basically how the mass is distributed, here the mass is distributed linearly, एक linear form में mass distributed है, तो इस line का जो center होगा वही उसका क्या होगा, center of gravity. So there are various examples given here. Like there is a circular ring, circular disc, triangular lamina, rectangle, parallelogram. So in all these cases, the exact center of the mass, okay, the exact center of that body, the mass, that will amount to be the center of gravity. How you can find whether it is center of gravity or not? If you place like a knife or something at that point, if that object is balanced through the knife at that point, then that point will be known as center of gravity. So अगर हम लोग एक ये रेक्टेंगल ले रहे हैं और हम अज्यूम कर रहे हैं कि रेक्टेंगल के यहाँ इस पॉइंट G पे हमने एक नाइफ रखी हुई है और उस नाइफ के थ्रू वो रेक्टेंगल बैलेंस्ड है, रेक्टेंगल ऊपर नीचे नहीं हो रहा है, तो उस पॉइंट पे जहाँ वो प्रॉपरली बैलेंस्ड है तो उस पॉइंट को हम सेंटर ऑफ ग्रेविटी मान सकते हैं क्योंकि वो बैलेंस्ड है. वहाँ पर जो क्लॉकवाइज मोमेंट्स और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज मोमेंट्स दोनों बराबर हो जा रहे हैं. लाइक इन द अर्लियर केस ऑल्सो व्हेन आई एक्सप्लेन्ड इन द अर्लियर वीडियोज this in the principle of moments I taught you. Here this weight W1 weight is pulling the scale downwards, and if it is pulling it downwards it will rotate it in clockwise direction. But the weight W2, that also it the weight W2 is also pulling in the downward direction, but because of its being downward, it's taking it in an anti-clockwise direction. ये W2 इस स्केल को एंटी क्लॉकवाइज घुमाने की कोशिश कर सकता है और W1 अपने वेट के कारण इसको क्लॉकवाइज घुमाने की कोशिश करता है. बट वी हैव टेकन द स्केल इन अ बैलेंस्ड कंडीशन, and in this balanced condition this clockwise moments will amount to, or it will be equal to, the sum of anti-clockwise moments. So here also this is balanced, and this point O will be known as the center of gravity for this scale. So these similar things also you have to catch up in the concept here, center of gravity. So here in this diagram it is told that suppose there is a body and it is made up of various particles or various compartments. So all the compartments are exerting their force vertically downwards. Now we are assuming that in spite of all the forces we are taking a algebraic sum of all these forces which are acting at one single point in spite of all those points. So that single point will be known as center of gravity. Then this is what usually comes in exam. This is very important. In 1 marks question also it is being asked where is the position of center of gravity for the rod. It is in the midpoint of rod. For the cylinder it is midpoint on the axis of cylinder. For the circular disc it is the geometric center. So all these things where it is located. For the rectangular, laminar, square, rhombus, parallelogram, in all these sections or in all these 2D figures it is located at the point of intersection of the diagonals. Here you can see this rectangle is having these two diagonals, and at the point of intersection of these two diagonals we are finding its center of gravity. So this is what is being generally asked in exams. So one thing we can say here is center of gravity is exactly the balance point. This is the balance point because if at the center of gravity you place a knife, if you place a knife edge or a fingertip, it will be exactly balanced. It will not fall downwards or upwards, it will be exactly balanced. Then is a determination of center of gravity of an irregular lamina by method of balance using a plumb line. I want you all to do this by yourself. This once you try, otherwise we'll share a video related to this. So this was about center of gravity.